Hey, and welcome. This is Carrie with Steel Roots Market, and I am in my studio this morning getting ready to do a little creative time with a couple of decoupage papers. And I thought I would just do a real quick shop update for you all that have been following along. For those that have been getting my emails, know that I have currently been offering a little free bundle for any orders of $55 or more. That is offering going on until I believe it's ending tonight. If not, it's ending tomorrow. I have to check on that. But it was for a free little small bundle of a few creative goodies, and each one is unique, different, but I just thought I would go ahead and share just some of the things that I put in. I've done 7 so far, so thank you for those orders. But some of them got little round circles, some got little soft cornered rectangular shapes, some got little surfaces like this to work with, and they're just great to use for your decoupage papers. You could put molds, stamping, paint inlays, all fun things, stenciling, and they're really a great fun surface to have because you have open possibilities for creative times. Then I also included just a little bundle of some embellishments or more different pieces. And I often get asked what to do with these, so I thought I'd do a really quick idea with you. So this was meant to be layered, but you certainly could use them individually. I love using them as little bottom plaques onto pieces. They look really fun, like if you're doing a decoupage on here and then you wanted to put something fun in here, use the little IOD stamps, letter stamps. There's some fun things that you could do. Also, another little thing that I wanted to mention was if I send little shapes, some of them may not have little, I don't necessarily put little holes in them, but what they're meant for is for layering. Like if you wanted, I have a bunch of ideas actually. So layering little pieces if you wanted to. Sometimes I layer multi ones and glue them if I'm doing little mini shadow boxes or little well, like little scenes or different things. They're fun to do. But what I did want to mention is if you do want to turn these into charms, I will use my crocodile and put a little hole into them. This is the 1/8. So I wanted to mention that, and then you could turn these into little cute charms or little dangles if you're a junk journaler or a paper crafter, or you're doing a mixed media piece and you want to do something like that. So I wanted to mention that. There's a variety of different ones. These are meant to be little faux embroidery hoops I tried doing, little charms. If they don't have a backing, most of them do, they will come with a center, but if they don't, use a lightweight piece of cardboard or heavier cardstock and do your little design in there, or you could put felt or little miniature needleworks, little clay charms, put resin over the top. There's just so many fun ideas to do with these, and I wanted to share that. And then some of the little bundles did get some of my beginning. I started cutting some Christmas for some designs, so some of these are in some of the bundles, and these are fun to glitter or distress and add them to your projects if you're a junk journaler, a paper crafter, and doing your mixed media. So those are fun. And then I did start cutting these for an upcoming collection a little bit bigger than like these when I did these. So these are fun little mini frames, or again, you can turn them into like faux embroidery hoops or all the fun things. And again, I have so many ideas to do with these. I'm hoping I get time soon to share with those. But I am going to be getting busy with a creative project. I want to use some of the new decoupage, the Andy Skinner line I have in stock, and I want to get working with that. And then, oh, the Christmas line from Decoupage Queen. I really want to work on that today, and I would love to continue working on this. I was doing some projects with that. So hopefully we'll see how my day goes. I'll share along with you, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Again, you can go ahead, any orders over $55 is getting a little bundle, and there's details in the email. I'm getting ready to send out another email, so make sure you're on my email list so you can get all the shop updates. Thank you.
Make sure to like and subscribe and get ready for the next DIY.